Hello students, we are going to understand the equilibrium state student and the meaning of equilibrium state. This is the second video on the chemical equilibrium. So dear student, when you are going to understand equilibrium state, when the reactants in a closed vessel at a particular temperature react to give a product, the concentration of the reactants decreases while those of product increases. After some time, there is no change in the concentration of either of the reactants or product. This stage of the system is known as equilibrium state. It means what is meaning of water student, like meaning of the equilibrium state. Suppose H2O liquid is there student, H2O liquid. Okay, it is freezing student. Okay, it is freezing. Okay, freezing. So it is forming the H2O ice. So what the point they are saying is student, the amount of liquid is converting into the amount of ice is same ice is converting to the same amount of the liquid. That state is known as equilibrium state. Equilibrium state. Okay. You can read out once more student what is the meaning of equilibrium state. I will let you know. Let us see. Okay, here is there. So when you talk about the equilibrium state, student, equilibrium state, so it is what they are saying, when the reactants in a closed vessels at a particular temperature react to give a product at the concentration of the reactant decreases, and while those of product increases. After some time there is no change in the concentration of either reactants or the product. This system is called equilibrium state. Okay. In another word student, like N2 plus 3H2, it is giving 3H2, it is reacting to give the product 2NH3. Okay. So initially the reactant is combining to give product, and that is the no, the concentration of the product is increasing and the reactant is decreasing, but there is the state will come when the concentration of reactant and product is the same. That state is known as what student? Equilibrium state. No, equilibrium state. So that we have to keep in mind student, that is after some time there is no change in the concentration of either reactant or product. This stage is called the equilibrium state. At equilibrium state, the rate of forward end reaction and backward reaction becomes equal. It means, what is meaning of this student, like that A is converting to B and B is converting to A. So RA, either you say RF, forward reaction, and R reverse reaction. This is the forward reaction, RF will become the equal to RR. So reverse reaction and forward reaction speed will be same. That is what they are saying. At equilibrium state, the rate of forward reaction and backward reaction become equal. The equilibrium can be attained for the both physical process and chemical process. Whether it is physical process or chemical process, the equilibrium can be achieved for the both the process. There is no problem in any of the system. Now, equilibrium in physical process. Equilibrium in physical process. What is meaning of equilibrium in physical process, student? That we are going to understand. Like dissolution of salt, evaporation of water, equilibrium in chemical process, decomposition of ammonium chloride, okay, reaction between hydrogen and iodine. These are all are the physical equilibrium, student. Okay, where the phase is getting changed. Okay, dissolution of salt into water, equilibrium, and decomposition of ammonium chloride, reaction between hydrogen and iodide. So these are the equilibrium in physical process. Chemical equilibrium are important in the number of biological and environmental process. First one is equilibrium involving the hemoglobin, in the transport of delivery of O2 for the toxicity of CO. Equilibrium involving ions in aqueous solution is called ionic equilibrium. Equilibrium involving ions in the aqueous solution is called ionic equilibrium. So these are all about the equilibrium state, student, or states of equilibrium. Thank you so much for watching, friends.